In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money in emergency response Liberty Country in Roblox. So first, go to the menu icon and then you can select a team in here or roleplay jobs to earn money. You can choose a firefighter or a police or a DOT, and then you can also work with some businesses like restaurant, banks, or even in the museum or theater. It's up to you. All of these works and roleplays jobs earns money. So assumingly we have a chosen job in here, and then as you can see on the map, it will show you the location. You'll just need to follow the location and go there and start your job, and that's it. Once you start your job in there, you will start to earn money, and that's how to make money in emergency response Liberty Country. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.